Imagine yourself in this 2013 GMC Acadia. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Pamper yourself with memory settings. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, and AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.